Hey guys, it's me Kira, and today I'm going to do a wholesale unboxing that I got from the UK, and I'm so excited to show you guys. The first items I got were two Custo Barcelona dresses, and I'm so excited. Here's the first one, and it has strings, and it's almost like a towel material on the top. It's really cool. Super flowy. Okay, the next one is this dress. I feel like I'm gonna have to stand for this video. She's a little dusty. Okay, I'm just gonna stand because I feel like it's easier. And then I got this bundle. This is like my first time seeing all these clothes too. Let's see. Got some lingerie pieces. This one's really cute and it has like a heart on it. This one has some sequin straps. I feel like this is gonna be so hard to wash. That's okay. Then I got some more lingerie. Then I got like this mesh gray long sleeve. Some more lingerie with a cute cross back on it. Then I got this really cool corset style top. Gotta figure out how to close that one off. A red scarf. This one's just like a lace, a black lace top. Okay, this one's nice. This button up. And it's like really cool closures. Some more lingerie. Super cute skirt. And it's like the ruffle ends. This one's like another black lingerie piece. We got another red button up. This one's like my favorite. It's crochet with sequins. That's the back, but here's the front. Oh, this is the onyx dress or shirt I've been really wanting. It's has like no sleeves. I feel like this would be a cute dress on me because I'm sure that I am pretty sure it's like a long shirt, so super cute. Then we got a red velvet turtleneck. I also thought that this red dress was really cool too. Don't remember this button up, but another red one. Then I got some red work pants. I thought this long sleeve was really cute when I saw it in the video. Then I also like this purple button up. It's giving office vibe slash my boyfriend is in a band. And I got this cool mesh slash velvet top that was made in Italy. It's cropped. Nice. Then I got a mini skirt and it has chains on it. That's cool. This one's like a cool wrap plaid skirt. And I got some black cargo pants. Well, not cargos, but kinda. And then these have zippers at the bottom. And then I got some vintage Dickies jeans. Another vintage, well, all of this is vintage, but another vintage black dress. Got this really cute bustier, like corset top. Then I got this black tank, a black mini skirt, some more lingerie pieces, another red scarf, and then this is a long black skirt or a midi black skirt, a corset top, I'm not doing it any justice, a cargo skirt, another mini skirt, a red plaid skirt, last but not least, a black button up. That was everything from my wholesale unboxing, and now I just have to wash everything and then price it, and then I'll be good to go. I'm gonna do a drop on my website for if anyone wants to shop in store, and I'll also put these on my Depop as well. This drop that I'm doing is different from everything that I've been doing. So long story short, I started playing Brass Rock Angel game on the GameCube because I was randomly at like some game flea market thing, and yeah, I was like, let me get that game. And then there's so many cute outfits in that. I was like, I want to recreate that in real life. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm really excited for this drop, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more videos, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.